Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I am sharing 5 easy tips to save money and realistic ways to do so. And things you can start doing today that actually make a difference, especially some things that I do in my daily life to do it. No extreme stuff, just smart habits that can keep your wallet happy. So, are you ready? Number 1, budget and track your spending. So, first up is, the basic one, budget and track your spending. You can't save what you don't measure. If you can, write down everything you spend for a week, like every coffee, everything you spend in the takeaways, or even the bus fare. You'd be surprised how those small things add up. So you know exactly where your money is going. Write it down or use a free budgeting app. And once you know where your money is going, you can really know where to cut back because you'll be going, why am I paying for this? Why am I paying for that? I don't really need that, so why am I using it? So let's go to tip number 2. Keep a check on your banking or online banking, which most people do nowadays. So keep an eye on your bank account. So log in to your bank or app regularly. Set alerts for low balance or big transactions, and awareness stops surprises or overspending. Now, I used to be an overspender. I used to spend more than what I was actually getting a month, but since I've been starting to monitor my spending and checking my bank account, I've actually haven't overspent for the last 2-3 months. So, what does that do? Well, it helps me avoid overdraft fees. It lets me catch any weird changes early on, and most banking apps also let you set spending limits or alerts. So it's very super helpful um, for that to happen. Now, number 3, which is I definitely have done, and it is cut back going out. So eating out, takeaways, nights out, pubs, etc. It drains cash fast, especially with the cost of living going absolutely sky high. Pints nowadays, I think, are £4.65. I remember when they used to be like £3. So you're nearly spending about 10 quid just for 2 pints, where, that's nearly half of what you could spend on a meal, or, a quarter of it for your weekly shop. So you could try cheaper home options like a movie night, home cooked meals. But the thing is, though, please note that it's not about forcing yourself not to go out, it's just being mindful of these extra costs of what you will do, because if you are cold, you want a coffee, etc. So, as we covered, it's not about need to stop having fun. It's just stop a few of those expensive things and swap them with a cheaper home alternative. Try cooking with friends, inviting them over, doing a movie night like we said, or just finding local free events that you can go to. And there is normally 9 out of 10 an event on for people to turn up and do, especially when it's coming towards Christmas. Number 4, which is very good, especially with a recent video that we have done. If you do want to check that out, the link will be in the description. But it's use up what you've got before you go shopping. So check cupboards, fridge, freezer before buying any more. Get creative with what's already there, and it does reduce waste and save money. So use up what you've got before you go shopping. So don't forget about the things that are sitting around before heading to those shops. Because you might think, yeah, I don't fancy pasta today, but it just means an extra cost going to the shops and getting more food. And once again, this one also covers from the video last, is the meal plan. So decide what you're eating for a week before you shop. Write it down, check what you already have, and make a list. So it stops you buying those random extras and helps you stay on track. So keep your shopping focused and avoids impulse buys. Now I kind of do this, I kind of don't, but like I covered in the last episode, which would be worth checking out. It is a good thing to definitely do. So that is my 5 simple tips to save money. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget-friendly ideas, and drop a comment with your favourite money saving habit, because I'd like to know what you guys do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.